how to set Windows 11 to add a new wallpaper every single day. Hey everyone, welcome to How to Browse YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can set Windows 11 to add a new wallpaper. So now, without wasting any second, let me show you what you need to do. Now guys, the first thing that you need to do is to right click and go to personalize. And here guys, in personalize, please tap on background. And here in background we have personalize your background. A picture background applies to your current desktop. Solid color or slideshow backgrounds apply to all your desktops. We have different options. Here we have we have 4 options. The first one is picture, the second one is solid color, right? And the third option is slideshow. So basically you choose a picture album for a slideshow. So you can create a folder and you add tons of videos, pictures, wallpapers in your folder, and then Windows 11 will choose random pictures, random wallpapers from that folder you just added. But the fourth option, which is my favorite way, is to Windows Spotlight. Now, Windows 11 will choose randomly a wallpaper from the internet and will set it as your wallpaper. As you can see, that's what Windows 11 did right now. Just set a new wallpaper for me, and it will do this every single day. So that's really cool. Every single day, Windows 11 will add a new paper to my computer. That's really fresh and really amazing, because you don't have to change your wallpaper. Every single day, a new wallpaper you will see. And for me, it's like every single day something will surprise you. Look at this wallpaper, and in fact, it's not even every single day. It's every single minute, because we're the best. Okay, so every single minute, Windows 11 will change the wallpaper every single minute, right? So isn't that beautiful? We should appreciate Windows 11 more for this fact. Look. This is a beautiful wallpaper. So I hope this video helped you. We should thank Windows 11.